got my containers that I'm going to put my strawberries back into. I'm gonna put some soil in here, mix it with some perlite, vermiculite, and I'm using this Miracle Grow potting mix for now. I have some cocoa coir, but I'm just gonna go ahead and use this and see if it's any difference in the plants growing, because I know these ones that I've sown like for like a couple weeks ago, these are growing, and these are the cocoa coir mixed with vermiculite, perlite, and worm casting. So now I'm going to use the potting mix to see if there's any difference. And what I'm going to put into here are my strawberry seeds that I just peeled off, and I have some marigolds I'm looking to try to plant soon, and then these pepper hot serrano chili, Spanish variety, non-GMO. I might put these in a jug. I don't think I should. I don't know if I should put this in a jug just yet, but I don't know. I know I supposed to have started peppers a while ago, or like soon. I don't know. It's my first time doing any of this, so you know, just trying to do what I'm seeing on YouTube and what I'm learning on, you know, just TikTok and my findings and readings and all that good jazz. So it's some cool guy outside, y'all. Outside in our yard. So again, I got the Miracle Grow, and then I got this, was just some pot and soil I picked up from like the Dollar Tree one year. I want to finish this too, so that's what I sowed my broccoli and my cauliflower with, this soil. And I don't know if water got in it while it rained and it snowed here. It rained and it snowed. Usually the snow is like still covered. Our first snow here, the yard was filled with snow like a week, 2 weeks after the snow. It was crazy, but look, it's a bluebird. It snowed like this week, one day this week, I think it's like Tuesday, and it's no longer no snow on the ground. So, you know, I guess that just means we're getting closer to spring. And I can't wait, because I'm tired of it being cold. I'm tired of running that heat bill. Anyway, so what is this? What is that, y'all? It's in my potting mix. It's in the Miracle Grow potting mix, and it's not the first one I've seen. I want to. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna shower after all of this. I've been working with my hands, not using my gloves like I should. So I just need a shower. I'm gonna use a little bit of this in my Miracle Grow as well, and then put a little bit of the vermiculite and perlite. And I'm gonna just stir this up. Little things. Anyway, yeah, I like this mix because it's not as watery. What is this? Cha. Look at that. I just throw that out. Add just a tad more. Just a tad. And some vermiculite. I don't want too much of that. And then some worm casting. This is the worm casting I'm using from Walmart. Earth Science worm casting. Looks just like soil. Put a little bit of that in there. Vermiculite, perlite, my potting soil, my worm casting, and this is This is my mixture. And I'm going to just mix all that up. I want to add a little bit of my fish fertilizer water. I'm going to add a little bit of that to my soil. Just a little bit. I don't want it to get too saturated. And I'm going to mix it. Take out the sticks and stuff. Heavy, like thick mulch. I don't know. It looks like mulch. And just take them out and throw them. I don't know what this is. It's like tumbleweeds. I don't know if that should be in there, but I throw it out. And this shouldn't be having like, no, the other soil be having pebbles in it. I don't know. I guess it's like giving the essence of it being in ground. Maybe there's pebbles underground, in ground, whatever. But it's cold out here, and it's not as cold, but it's like cold enough. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and sow these. I'm gonna put some of this soil in my container, and then I need to label my jugs before I finish. This ain't almost fail. Put it right in my lap. Put it on my lap. And the thing about it, these strawberry containers are good because they mimic like a greenhouse, just like the jugs do. And they already got like the holes in the bottom for airflow, drainage. Yeah, so that's beneficial when growing, if you don't already know. So I'm gonna just, I think that's good, not too much, because I want to be able to close it. I want to be able to close it, like if need be. So I think with strawberries, because the seeds are so small, you just kind of like put them on top and then you just water them. You don't like put anything on top. Correct me if I'm wrong. Message me in the comments. Leave a comment if I am wrong. But what I'm thinking is they're too small to kind of like sow in the ground. So you just place them on top of the soil. Sort of like basil, because when I was sowing my basil seeds, the same thing. They were like really small. And or was it onions? Probably both, basil and onions. But when I was sowing them, they're like super small. So what you do is you just kind of put them over top and then just like water them and just leave them be, or cover them. I'm gonna cover these, but I left the tomatoes, the basil and the basil and the brain fart, the basil and the onions, I left those uncovered in my kitchen. Okay, so I put all my seeds here. Here's my little strawberry seeds that I accumulated from my strawberries that went bad. And I think I got pretty good with peeling them janks off. But, you know, I didn't get all of them. And that's okay. Because I can already see that it's going to be a few more seeds that I can get off of them. Because it's a few more strawberries in the refrigerator already that's going bad. So what I'm going to do is just take a little pinch full, like a little pinch full, and I'm going to just do that. I'm going to do it one more time so you can see. And I might be over somewhere, but we're going to see. And these are going to give me some strawberry runners. Probably won't yield any strawberry this summer. But I hear that, you know, you'll get the runners and then, you know, they just wait and see what happens. We just gonna wait and see what happens. This year is just mainly just sowing and seeing what happens. So I got pretty good amount still left. I'm gonna just save them. I don't think I'm gonna sow 2 things of strawberries. We put like 1 more pinch. Just make sure I got enough everywhere. Okay, that's enough. And then whatever I have left, like that. Just fold it up. Gone with my business. Okay, so we have sowed those marigolds with peppers. The marigolds I hear would help with you know, just getting help pollinating the other things that I'm growing. And probably could, but might be like that 1 seed left over and try to pluck it to the freaking bottom and it don't want to go. Fine, whatever. I'm doing peppers. Excellent choice for making pepper sauce and hot chili sauce. So I was thinking I could do like jalapeno poppers, but I don't think this is jalapeno. It's chili peppers. Is there a difference? Anyway, so 1/4 deep. So you, it looked like you really ain't got to do too much digging for this one either. Just sow directly in the garden in a sunny location after danger of frost pass, or start indoor 8 weeks before planting outdoors every 18 inches. So this is an indoor because the frost date has not come up for us. In Richmond, Virginia zone. These things look like they already, like the bottom's already cut. Well, they make sure you ready. Like, you know, like this, the pepper seeds, they say you're supposed to cut like the butt of it so that it can like go ahead and start the growth of the roots. And that's exactly what it looks like in here. I'm trying to pull one out. Look at that one on the outside. It's already open, and a bunch of them were like that in the pack. So either they naturally do that, or either like they just made it better for us to be prepared for the starting these seeds. So I sowed the pepper seeds in this strawberry container, and I hope this is a good you know, thing for it. I could have sold it in one of these, but anyway, I got it in here, and as you can see, like the little pepper seeds on top, they are on there, and I spread them out, but it said to sow the seeds 1/4 of an inch in the soil. So I figure I'm just gonna pour some soil right on top. And then I'll just water that. I don't know what these little balls are, but I'm gonna put that back in there. Now I'm gonna just take my fish fertilizer water and just pour a little bit on. There. Trying not to spill this stuff. I kind of already spilled it on my dang leg. Okay, so that's that. And then strawberries. Do the strawberry seeds. Take them inside. My strawberry seeds. Okay. And then I'm going to just do the same thing for the strawberries. And there you have it. We have sowed some broccoli, some cauliflower, some peppers, and some strawberries. And we're going to see what happened. Thank y'all for watching. This is my first video. My first sowing seed video. And yeah, if you have any questions, comments, tips, please leave them in the comment section so I can reply. If you have any tips for what I got going on, any suggestions, I take those too. So just leave them in the comments and I read it and, see what I need to improve on. Again, this is my first time. I don't really know what I'm doing. These things is they heating up or something. The containers is fogging up. I don't know what that means, but I'm gonna shut them in hopes, they do what they do. Thank y'all for watching my video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, whatever you feel like doing. Again, my name is Shanae, and I'm just trying to grow some seeds, some plants, some food for my family. No shade, but I ain't planting no plants just to look at them. I want some food out of it. I be seeing the people do the planting, flowers and all of these different things, all these different plants and flowers, and I'm just like, to each his own. Give me some food. Anyway, thank y'all for watching and have a great day. Bye.